Hello, welcome guys. Jay here from smarthelping.com, and I've got a new bundle. I've done over, 120, 130 financial models for all kinds of different businesses in all kinds of industries. So this latest bundle is for the service businesses sector. So service businesses, well, it's pretty simple. It's just any business that provides a service. It's actually a very strong sector. It's apparently growing. Next 10 years is supposed to be very strong. So I've put together all the current financial models that I have for this industry, which would be, we've got car wash, plumbing, electrician services, auto repair, cleaning, dry cleaning, professional services, consulting firms like a talent agency, or just this would be a business that makes money off of others performing services for a fee. Uh, Product as a service. This is a new big one here, where you're selling people the service that the products provide rather than the products themselves. So that's a good one. Security, alarm system services. And then I've got franchisor operated and franchisee scaling. I added these two because maybe you want to turn your service business into a franchise, or you want to join a franchise that is in the services industry and you want to see what that looks like if you add a bunch of locations. So either one, they're both included in the bundle. And then I got customer spend and retention patterns. I added that in here just because that's basically relevant for any business. So it's pretty, all these models together I think are around $600-700 if you add them up. So I did a 199 price, and note this price will include any uh, service business template I ever add. You'll get access to that with no extra charge. So I think it's a growing industry. The service businesses sector. Here's the models I got for it. I think this is really. I'm excited to add more to this too. I think it's very popular. It's not that flashy, but it makes money. And if you can scale it out, get the unit economics right, it can be really great. All these models do have, let's see, I think all these have a three-statement model for forecasting of financial statements, monthly and annual. You've got IRR calcs, cash flow requirements, options for investor funding, options for debt funding of the startup costs. Um, I think, yeah, all these have, except for these two, or this one doesn't have a three-statement model, and this one's more of a kind of a tool rather than a financial model. But all these other ones all have three-statement modeling and fully built out financial simulation, uh, you know, for you. Alrighty, that's all I got for you. Like the video, subscribe, and check it out. Check out more too. I've got all kinds of financial models at smarthelping.com. Over 100 here. Just browse and enjoy, and I'll keep building.